In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fibonacci retracement on Thinkorswim. We'll walk through getting your chart ready, selecting the correct tool, and drawing clean retracement levels so you can quickly spot potential support and resistance zones. I'll also share a few simple tips to make your lines more accurate and your chart easier to read. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform and head to the Charts tab. This is where all the action happens. In the symbol box at the top, load the ticker you want to analyze. Choose the time frame that fits your trading plan. Daily for swing trades, intraday for shorter-term moves, because the highs and lows you pick should match the move you care about. If your chart looks crowded, zoom in a bit so it's easier to place your anchors precisely. Next, let's activate the Fibonacci tool. Right-click anywhere in the price area of your chart to open the context menu. From there, click Add a Drawing. In the list of tools that appears, select the one labeled with a % sign, called Fibonacci Retracements. This is the tool that automatically plots percentage-based horizontal levels between 2 points you choose, helping you visualize areas like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% of the prior move. With the tool active, it's time to draw. Click once at your first point. Use a swing high if you want to measure a retracement down, or a swing low if you're measuring a retracement up. Then drag your cursor to the opposite extreme of that move, down to the swing low for a down retracement, or up to the swing high for an up retracement, and click again to set it. As soon as you finish, the Fibonacci levels will appear as horizontal lines across your chart. If the levels look upside down, you likely started at the wrong end. No problem. Just grab one of the anchor points and drag it to the correct high or low. You can fine-tune placement by zooming in and aligning the anchors with the exact wick extremes for better precision. If the lines feel cluttered, you can pan the chart to give them some breathing room. And remember, these levels are guides, not guarantees. Watch how price reacts around them, especially near the 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% zones, where many traders look for potential pauses or reversals. That's it. You've set up Fibonacci retracement on Thinkorswim and drawn it on your chart with confidence.